Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Of course. How can I help?
I'm looking for a coffee shop nearby.
There's a nice one just around the corner.
Around the corner. Which way?
Turn right at the traffic light.
Right at the traffic light. Okay.
Then walk straight for about 1 minute.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, it has a big green sign. You can't miss it.
What's the name of the coffee shop?
It's called Morning Brew.
Morning Brew. Got it.
They have excellent coffee. I go there every day.
That's a good recommendation. Thank you.
Are you new to this area?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you. Everyone is so friendly here.
It's a nice community. You'll like it.
Is there a supermarket nearby too?
Yes, there's one on Main Street.
How far is that from here?
About a 10-minute walk or 2 minutes by car.
Which direction is Main Street?
Go straight down this road. You'll see it.
This road goes to Main Street.
Yes, the supermarket is on the left side.
Left side. I'll remember that.
It's next to the bank, a big building.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Happy to help.
You've been very kind.
Enjoy your coffee. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks again.
Bye. Welcome to the neighborhood again.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit down.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. That's where I'm going too.
Oh, good. I was worried I got on the wrong bus.
No, you're on the right one. Bus 42.
How long does it take to get there?
About 20 minutes, maybe 25 with traffic.
That's not too bad.
Rush hour is worse. It can take 40 minutes.
I'll remember that for next time.
Where exactly do you need to go?
I'm going to the shopping mall. Central Mall.
That's the biggest one.
Yes, that one. Is it near a bus stop? The bus stop's right in front of it. Perfect. That's so convenient.
It's about 5 stops from here.
Should I press the button to stop?
Yes, press it before your stop.
I'll watch carefully.
I can tell you when we're close.
That would be very helpful. Thank you.
Do you take the bus often?
Not really. I usually drive.
The bus is cheaper and less stressful.
You're right. No parking problems either.
Exactly. I sold my car 2 years ago.
Wow, that's a big change.
Best decision I ever made.
Maybe I should try taking the bus more. Oh, our stop is coming up. 2 more stops. Already? That was fast. See, faster than driving sometimes. Thank you for all your help today. My pleasure. Enjoy your shopping.
Hi there. Welcome to Sunny Cafe.
Hello. This place looks really cozy.
Thank you. Is this your first time here?
Yes, a friend recommended it.
That's lovely. Please take a seat anywhere.
Can I sit by the window?
Of course. Great choice. Nice view.
Thank you. Can I see the menu?
Here you go. Take your time.
What's your most popular coffee?
Our vanilla latte is the best seller.
Is it very sweet?
It's medium sweet. We can adjust it.
Can I have it less sweet?
Absolutely. Half sweetness?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Hot or iced?
Iced, please. It's warm today.
Would you like anything to eat?
What do you recommend?
Our sandwiches are fresh, made this morning.
What kinds do you have?
Chicken, tuna, and vegetable.
I'll try the chicken sandwich.
Excellent choice. Anything else?
Do you have any cakes?
Yes, chocolate, cheesecake, and carrot cake.
The cheesecake looks delicious.
It's homemade, very creamy.
I'll have a slice of cheesecake too.
So that's 1 iced vanilla latte, less sweet,
Correct?
1 chicken sandwich, and 1 cheesecake.
Yes, that's everything.
Your total is $18.50.
Can I pay with card?
Of course. Tap or insert here.
Done. Thank you.
Your order will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. I'll enjoy the view while I wait.
The Wi-Fi password is on the table if you need it.
Great. Thank you so much.
Good evening. Welcome to Grand Hotel.
Good evening. I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Roberts, Michael Roberts.
Let me check. Roberts.
Yes, that's correct.
I found it. 2 nights, checking out Thursday.
That's right.
You booked a deluxe room with city view.
Yes. Is the room ready?
Yes, it is. Room 712 on the 7th floor.
Great. Does the room have a balcony?
Yes, all our deluxe rooms have balconies.
Wonderful. What's the Wi-Fi password?
The password is Grandest2024.
Let me write that down. Grandest 2024.
It's also on a card in your room.
Good to know. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10:30 a.m.
Where is the restaurant?
On the ground floor, turn left from the elevators.
Is breakfast included in my booking?
Let me check. Yes, it's included.
Perfect. I'm happy to hear that.
Is there anything else you need?
Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, on the 3rd floor, open 24 hours.
Excellent. I like to exercise in the morning.
Here's your key card. Don't lose it.
I'll keep it safe.
The elevator is down the hall on your right.
Thank you. Is there parking available?
Yes, underground parking. $15 per night.
I'll use it. I have a rental car.
Just show this card at the parking entrance.
Thank you for all the information.
Enjoy your stay, Mr. Roberts.
I'm sure I will. Good night.
This supermarket is huge. Where do we start?
Let's get a shopping cart first.
Good idea. Here's one.
Do you have the shopping list?
Yes, it's on my phone. Let me open it.
What's the first item?
Bread. We need whole wheat bread.
The bakery section is over there.
I see it. Let's go.
This bread is fresh. It's still warm.
Perfect. Put it in the cart.
What else do we need?
Milk, eggs, and cheese.
The dairy section is in the back.
Why is it always in the back?
So you walk through the whole store.
Smart marketing strategy.
Here's the milk. Which one?
Low fat, please. The blue cap.
Got it. How many eggs?
A dozen should be enough.
These eggs are on sale. Buy one, get one free.
Great deal. Get 2 dozens then.
What kind of cheese?
Cheddar for sandwiches and mozzarella for pizza.
We're making pizza this weekend.
Yes, homemade pizza night.
I love that idea. What toppings?
Let's get pepperoni and mushrooms and some bell peppers.
Good idea. The vegetables are in aisle 3.
We also need tomato sauce. That's in the canned goods section.
Our cart is getting full.
One more thing. We need laundry detergent.
Aisle 7. I saw it earlier.
You remember everything.
I shop here often. I know the layout.
That's so helpful. Let's check out.
The self-checkout is faster.
Let's use that one.
Welcome. Can I help you find something?
Yes, I am looking for a dress.
What's the occasion?
I have a job interview next week.
Congratulations. That's exciting.
Thank you. I want to look professional.
I understand. What color do you prefer?
Something neutral. Black or navy blue?
Both are great for interviews. Very classic.
What do you recommend?
Navy blue is softer, less intimidating.
That makes sense. I don't want to look too serious.
What size do you wear?
I think size 8, sometimes 10.
Let me show you some options.
Thank you. You're very helpful.
Here's a beautiful navy dress, simple and elegant.
I like it. It's not too short.
It hits just below the knee, very appropriate.
Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is this way.
Thank you.
Let me know if you need a different size.
I'm back. What do you think?
It looks wonderful on you.
Really? It's not too tight?
No, it fits perfectly. Very flattering.
I feel confident in this.
That's important for an interview.
Do you have matching shoes?
Yes, we have some nice heels over here.
Not too high. I need to walk comfortably.
These are 2-inch heels, very comfortable.
They're perfect. I'll take the dress and the shoes.
Excellent choices. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. How much is everything?
The dress is $79 and the shoes are $55.
So $134 total.
Yes. Good luck with your interview.
Thank you so much for your help.
Hello, front desk. This is room 405.
Good evening. How can I help you?
I have a problem with my room.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
The air conditioning isn't working.
Oh no. Is it not turning on at all?
It turns on, but it's only blowing hot air.
I apologize for the inconvenience.
The room is very hot. I can't sleep.
I completely understand. Let me help you.
Can someone come fix it?
I'll send maintenance right away.
How long will that take?
About 15 minutes. Is that okay?
I guess so. It's very uncomfortable, though.
Would you like me to bring a fan to your room?
Yes, that would help. Thank you.
I'll send one up immediately.
I appreciate that.
If maintenance can't fix it, we have another option.
What's the other option?
We can move you to a different room.
A different room? That would be a lot of trouble.
It's no trouble at all. Your comfort is important.
Let's see if they can fix it first.
Of course. I'll note that in the system.
Will I get any compensation for this problem?
Absolutely. I'll apply a 20% discount to your stay.
Thank you. That's very fair.
Again, I'm very sorry for this issue.
Things happen. I understand.
The maintenance person's name is Tom.
He'll knock soon.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Is there anything else I can do?
No, that's all for now.
Please call back if you need anything else.
I will. Thank you for your help.
Have a good night, sir. We'll fix this quickly.
Excuse me, I need help with my luggage.
Of course. What's the problem?
My suitcase didn't arrive. It wasn't on the belt.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me help you.
I waited for an hour. It never came.
Can I see your baggage claim ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check the system.
This has never happened to me before.
It happens sometimes, unfortunately.
I have important things in that suitcase.
I understand. Don't worry. We'll find it. What flight did you come from?
Flight 247 from New York.
What does your suitcase look like?
It's large and black, hard shell.
Any special markings or tags?
Yes, it has a red ribbon on the handle.
That helps. Let me look in the computer.
Please hurry, I'm very worried. I found it. Your bag is in Chicago.
Chicago? How did it get there?
It was put on the wrong connecting flight.
When can I get it?
We'll put it on the next flight here.
When will that arrive?
Tomorrow morning at 8 a.m.
Tomorrow. But I need my clothes tonight.
I understand. We can offer you compensation.
What kind of compensation?
$100 for emergency items like toiletries and clothes.
Okay, that helps a little.
Where are you staying? We'll deliver the bag.
The Hilton Hotel on Market Street.
We'll deliver it by noon tomorrow.
Please be careful with it.
We will. Here's a tracking number for your bag.
Thank you for your help.
I'm very sorry for the inconvenience.
It's not your fault. Thank you again.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I need a taxi, please.
Of course. Where are you going?
To the airport.
Which terminal?
Terminal 1, domestic flights.
What time is your flight?
My flight is at 2 p.m.
You should leave by 11 to be safe.
That's 2 hours before. Is that enough?
Yes, with check-in and security, it's perfect.
Okay. Can I get a taxi at 11 a.m.?
I'll arrange that for you right now.
Thank you. How much will it cost to the airport?
It's usually around $35.
Is that a fixed price?
No, it depends on traffic.
What if there's a lot of traffic?
It could be $40 to $45 maximum.
That's reasonable. I'll take it.
Would you prefer a regular taxi or a nicer car?
What's the difference?
A luxury car is more comfortable, but costs $60.
Regular taxi is fine. I don't need luxury. I'll book a regular taxi for 11 a.m.
Where should I wait?
The taxi will be right outside the main entrance.
How will I know it's my taxi?
The driver will hold a sign with your name.
What's my name on the sign?
Your last name. What is it?
Johnson. Sarah Johnson.
Johnson. The driver will have that sign.
Perfect. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, all our taxis accept cards.
Great. Is tipping expected?
Tips are appreciated, usually 10 to 15%.
I'll tip the driver. Thank you for arranging this.
My pleasure. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. The service here is excellent.
Hi, welcome to the gift shop.
Hello, I need help finding a gift.
I'd be happy to help. Who is it for?
It's for my mother. Her birthday is tomorrow.
How lovely. What does she like?
She loves flowers and reading.
We have some beautiful things for book lovers.
Really? Like what? Bookmarks, reading lamps, and book stands. Can I see the bookmarks?
Here they are. We have leather and metal ones. These leather ones are beautiful. They're handmade. Each one is unique. How much are they? The leather bookmarks are $13 each. That's nice, but I want something bigger. What's your budget? Around $50 to $75. We have lovely scented candles, flower fragrances. She does love candles. This set has rose, lavender, and jasmine. How much is the set? The set of 3 is $45. That's within my budget. What else do you have? We have beautiful silk scarves. Oh, she wears scarves all the time. This floral pattern is very popular. It's gorgeous. How much? This scarf is $55. I can't decide, candles or scarf. Why not both? They complement each other. Both would be $100. Is that too much? I can give you 15% off if you buy both. Really? How much would that be? About $85 for everything. That's perfect. I'll take both.
Would you like them gift wrapped?
Yes, please. That would be wonderful. Any special message? Happy birthday, Mom. Love, Emily. I'll write that on a card. Thank you.